Hello. So you have successfully completed the probate process. Either you have gotten the will admitted, or now you have the heirs determined for the estate, and you have letters of administration or letters testamentary, and you are winning. But now what? What do you do with all the creditors that I know are calling and that I know are writing? Are those your debt? You're the executor of the estate. What if there's not enough money to pay? Do you have to dip in your pocket and pay? No, my friend, no, you don't. Those are not your debt. Those are the debts of the estate. And therefore, you are the executor. What do you do now? You have to decide who is one, secured creditors. Those are the people whose debts are secured or are guaranteed by assets. So think about mortgage company, think about the car loan, think about the boat loan. Those people are secured creditors. And those people, unless there's a will that says, I'm giving this property to, say, Cody, and executor, I want you to pay the debt off first, then that's a debt of the estate. But if I say I'm giving the house to Cody and there's a debt of $1 million, you don't have to pay it, Mr. Executor. That's Cody's problem. So you have to look at secured debt. So now we're going to look at unsecured debt. If you have an unsecured debt, you're going to see if that person legitimatized their debt. Did they file it with the court? Do they have the proper affidavit? Do they have the proper proof? If they are, then you put them in line of the people that needs to be paid. One of the things that I always talk to people about is these unsecured debts, you can negotiate them. Yes, if you have the assets and you know that if you pay all these creditors, then there's not going to be any money left, especially if there's a wife and children. Definitely, you want to look into the code and see how you can maximize all those distributions to the heirs. And therefore, you want to still be working closely with your attorney to make sure that you take care of the spouses, that you take care of the minor children. If that's the case and the estate is very liquid, go ahead, pay off those unsecured debtors, but try to negotiate first. Pay them off, then you distribute the estate. Then if there's a will and it says give Cody $5,000 on the house, then after you pay the debts, if there's money to give Cody the money, you give the money to Cody. Then if it says give X to Judy, then you do that. And so yes, it's a lot of work, but think about the trust that your loved one had in you to make you the executor of the estate in the first place. And I can tell you, if you've made it this far, just one more step and you've crossed the finish line, and you, my friend, are winning. My name is Megan Truick, and we're at the law office of Bryan Fagan, where we treat you like family, even better. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool, and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link, and let's get learning together.